You are a...
No.
Noise. But our auto rack on the other train Mommy has written, that one is only going to have the green one. Look at, did they uncouple that car over there? Get a closer look. I think they did. Oh, what the? Ugh. I think they did uncouple that car. It looks like they're coupling that pink one over to that hopper over there, Molly. You are a golden god. Why does this autorack say that?
It's called tagging. So I tagged it.
Oh, wait, is this red autorack gonna... I think the red one's gonna make it, Mommy. Come on.
Maybe.
Yes! This red
What
one.
is that thing?
What?
That lever.
Oh. And that was a heart hit. I still want to know which engine.
What's the lever?
What?
Or that.
Are you glad this red one finally hit the crossing?